Social organization. Orcas live in family groups called pods. Pods usually consist of closely bonded individuals, with older females often taking on leadership roles. Communication. Orcas use a wide range of vocalizations to communicate, including clicks and whistles. Each pod has its own distinct dialect of sounds, helping to identify members of other pods. Hunting and feeding. Orcas are skilled hunters and use various techniques for hunting, including cooperative strategies. They feed on a variety of prey, including fish, seals, dolphins, and even large whales. Sonar use. Orcas use echolocation, sonar, to locate prey and navigate in deep waters. Sonar allows them to see in pitch darkness and deep waters. Social behavior and play. Orcas exhibit complex play behaviors, including jumping and high-speed swimming.
Killer whales, also known as orcas, are one of the largest and most powerful marine creatures. These whales are known for their intelligence and organized hunting tactics, possessing immense strength and high speed. The killer whale, or Sinus orca, belongs to the oceanic dolphin family. They can grow up to 9 meters, 30 feet, in length and weigh up to 10 tons. Orcas have a shiny black body with distinctive white patches above their eyes and on the underside. Their dorsal fin is large and erect, reaching up to 2 meters in adult males, and they have sharp, powerful teeth for tearing prey. As top predators in the ocean, orcas have a diverse diet that includes fish, squid, marine mammals like seals and dolphins, and even other whales. They are known for using advanced hunting strategies, such as cooperation within their group to surround and force prey to the surface. Orca pods have complex social structures, living in cohesive groups called pods. The killer whale, also known as orca, is a type of large dolphin that belongs to the dolphin family. Despite its name, killer whale, it is actually a dolphin. It is characterized by its black body with white patches and a large dorsal fin that is distinctive. The killer whale is a powerful predator with a varied diet depending on the region it inhabits, hunting fish, other whales, and even large marine animals like the great white shark. These whales live in organized social groups known as pods, which work cooperatively in hunting and communication. Killer whales are found in all major oceans, from polar regions to tropical areas, with large groups concentrated in cold waters in the north and south. While not facing significant threats from humans, activities such as hunting and ocean pollution can impact them. The killer whale, also known as the orca, is a type of large dolphin belonging to the dolphin family. Despite its name, it is actually a dolphin rather than a whale. It is characterized by its black body with white patches and a distinctive large dorsal fin. The killer whale is a powerful predator with a varied diet, including fish, other whales, and even large marine animals such as the great white shark. They live in organized social groups called pods that cooperate in hunting and communication. Killer whales are found in all major oceans, from polar regions to tropical waters, but they are most concentrated in the cold waters of the north and south. While killer whales are not facing major threats from humans, activities like hunting and ocean pollution can impact them.
In a rare event, orcas successfully hunted and devoured a blue whale in Bremer Bay, southwest Australia. This marks the first documented case of orcas preying on the endangered blue whale, the largest animal on Earth. Marine biologists believe this discovery could signal a promising future for these marine predators. The hunt involved a group of 12 orcas chasing down the weary prey and eventually forcing it to dive underwater where it met its demise. This incident, along with 3 similar ones documented in recent years, was detailed in a study published in Marine Mammal Science. Scientist Robert Pittman described it as the largest predation event on the planet, involving the largest predator against the largest prey, making it an unprecedented observation.
A groundbreaking discovery has revealed that orcas are now preying on blue whales, igniting hope for these marine predators. In Premier Bay, located southwest of Australia, a group of 12 orcas were seen relentlessly pursuing a blue whale, using their sharp teeth to tear into its flesh. This event represents the first documented instance of orcas actively hunting and consuming the endangered blue whale, which is the largest animal on the planet.
The majestic killer whale, also known as the orca, is a magnificent marine mammal that belongs to the dolphin family, making it the largest species in size. These striking creatures are easily recognizable by their sleek black backs and white undersides, which include the belly, sides, and areas near the eyes. Despite their fearsome name, orcas are generally considered to be friendly and social animals, only becoming predatory when they sense danger. With a long dorsal fin that is elegantly colored in black and white, the killer whale's body is cylindrical in shape, tapering gradually at both ends. Weighing in at an impressive 5,443 kilograms and measuring between 7 to 9.7 meters in length, roughly the size of a school bus, the killer whale reigns as the largest dolphin species in the world. Orcas are known for their widespread distribution, ranking among the most widely distributed mammals globally, following closely behind humans.
Killer whales, also known as orcas, feed on a variety of foods depending on the region they live in and their species. Their diet can include marine mammals like seals, sea lions, and dolphins, as well as fish like salmon, tuna, and herring. In some areas, squid can also be a significant part of their diet. They may even hunt marine birds in certain cases. Orcas use diverse and sophisticated hunting techniques, such as cooperative hunting to create waves that hit prey off ice floes or using their vocalizations to scare and hurt fish. They often hunt in groups called pods and coordinate their attacks for more efficiency. The creation of waves and the coordination of attacks are some of the innovative hunting techniques they employ.
Female killer whales give birth once every 3 to 10 years, and the gestation period usually lasts about 17 months. A killer whale calf, known as a calf, is about 2.6 meters long and weighs between 120 to 160 kilograms at birth. Killer whales can live between 50 to 100 years. Killer whales are highly social animals and prefer living in groups called pods, which typically consist of up to 40 members. There are two types of pods. Resident pods are less aggressive and tend to feed on fish, while transient pods, also known as wolf pods, are more aggressive and prey on marine mammals. Killer whales use echolocation to locate and hunt their prey. They emit sounds through the air passage between their mouth and the blowhole above their head. The sound varies from whistles to screams to howls. Killer whales are known for their cooperative hunting behavior, where they work together to ambush their prey or use their tails to slap prey out of the water to disorient them and avoid being bitten.
Marine biologists believe that this new discovery could signal a bright future for these marine predators. The scene unfolds with a chase between 12 orcas and a tired prey. As the prey slows down, more orcas join this ferocious group. 20 jaws equipped with sharp teeth tear into the prey's flesh, then work together to force it to dive underwater where it will not resurface. But this hunt is different. The incident took place in Bremer Bay, southwest Australia, marking the first successful observation of orcas hunting and preying on the endangered blue whale, the largest animal on Earth. Scientists described 3 similar incidents that occurred in March and April 2019, and another in March 2021, within a study published in the journal Marine Mammal Science. Robert Pittman, one of the study's authors and a marine biologist at Oregon State University, says, "This is the largest predation event on the planet, involving the largest predator against the largest prey. We no longer have dinosaurs, so this event, as a whale biologist and animal behaviorist, is the ultimate."
Killer whales are social animals, living in groups usually consisting of 20 individuals or more. They inhabit all oceans and seas around the world. They prefer deep waters that reach up to 300 m. They can be found in polar regions, both north and south, preferring cold coastal temperate waters like those of Japan and Alaska, which explains their rarity in the Mediterranean Sea. The killer whale, or orca whale, is considered a migratory species. Countries where killer whales can be found include Algeria, Morocco, Tunisia, UAE, Mauritania, Oman, Western Sahara, Yemen, Somalia, Djibouti, Comoros, Iran, American Samoa, Anguilla, Antarctica, Antigua and Barbuda, Argentina, Aruba, Australia, Bahamas, Bangladesh, Barbados, Belize, Benin, Bermuda, Bonaire, St. Eustatius, and Saba, Brazil, British Indian Ocean Territory, Brunei Darussalam, Cape Verde, Cambodia, Cameroon, Canada, Cayman Islands, Chile, China, Cocos, Keeling Islands, Colombia, Congo, DR Congo.
Killer whales, also known as orcas, are highly social marine mammals that live in pods consisting of 20 or more individuals. These intelligent creatures can be found inhabiting oceans and seas worldwide, but they particularly prefer colder, temperate waters with depths of up to 300 meters. Their distribution spans from polar regions like the Arctic and Antarctic to more temperate regions. Interestingly, killer whales are rarely spotted in the Mediterranean Sea due to its warmer waters. These magnificent creatures are known to be migratory, with sightings reported in countries such as Algeria, Morocco, Tunisia, United Arab Emirates, and various others. Their social structure and communication within pods are complex and fascinating, making them one of the most intriguing marine species to study.
Recent DNA tests have revealed that commercial whaling of whales may be far worse than previously believed. Steve Palumbi, a marine biologist at the Hopkins Marine Station of Stanford University in California, is trying to prove that most estimates of whale populations in the past were derived from outdated whale hunting numbers, often leading to inaccuracies. In 2003, Palumbi and his colleagues used DNA samples to estimate that there may have been 1.5 million humpback whales before commercial whaling began in the 19th century. This figure contradicts the 100,000 estimate previously accepted by the International Whaling Commission (IWC) based on 19th century whale hunting records. The current humpback whale population is only 20,000. Japanese delegates at the IWC continue to refer to a 1990 estimate of 0 minke whales in the Southern Ocean, but the IWC has since revised this number due to recent survey studies.
A group of orcas pursued a yacht for several hours while scientists were investigating a series of recurring attacks. A shocking video captured one of the killer whales aggressively attacking a British-flagged vessel called Mystic off the coast of Spain. The powerful whale collided with the yacht, causing extensive damage as it bit and rammed the boat, ultimately forcing the crew to call for assistance. The sailors were left stunned by the unprecedented event, describing how the orca relentlessly tore the vessel apart during the terrifying encounter. The yacht now bears a massive hole as a result of the vicious assault, leaving the crew shaken by the unexpected aggression of the normally peaceful marine mammals.
The killer whale is characterized by its distinctive appearance, with a large black body, white underside, a white spot above and behind the eye, and a saddle patch behind the dorsal fin. It is also known as the orca. Despite being called a killer whale, it actually belongs to the dolphin family, as it is the only species in its genus that looks like this. Its closest relatives are dolphins from all over Australia and Southeast Asia, such as the Irrawaddy dolphin. There has been only one report of a wild orca attacking a human, and it may have been a case of mistaken identity. One theory is that wetsuits make us effectively invisible to orcas thanks to the insulating nitrogen bubbles in the material. However, captive orcas behave very differently, as there have been attacks by killer whales on humans in zoos and marine parks where the orcas were involved.
The killer whale, also known as the orca, is a member of the oceanic dolphin family. It earned its name from the aggressive behavior observed by sailors who witnessed black whales attacking larger whales furiously. This led to the killer whale being labeled as whale killer. The orca is known for its hunting prowess and ability to take down massive whales. There are different types of killer whales that have been classified based on the environment or region in which they live and their preferred prey. In the northern hemisphere, there are the resident killer whales, which specialize in feeding on fish and have a home range near large fish populations on the Pacific coast and Alaska. Then there are the transient killer whales, found in the northern Pacific, who prey on mammals such as seals, dolphins, and even gray whales. The big orcas are known to live in small groups and travel continuously over large home ranges from southern California up to the Arctic. Lastly, there are offshore killer whales, rare to encounter as they live in deep ocean waters far from land. They are known to live in groups of up to 50 individuals and feed on fish and squid.